If you're experiencing low performance in Valorant, there are several quick adjustments you can make to improve your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and enhance performance. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your graphics settings in Valorant. Go to the Settings menu, navigate to the Video section, and set the quality to low or medium. Disable features like anti-aliasing and VSync to reduce the load on your system. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve game performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Valorant, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Use the Task Manager to end tasks that are not needed. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to System Properties, click on Performance Settings, and select Adjust for Best Performance. This will disable visual effects that can slow down your system. Step 5. Check Internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for online gaming. Make sure you are connected to a reliable network. If possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi to reduce latency and improve overall performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Valorant performance. Regularly check for updates and optimize your settings as needed for the best gaming experience.